Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will read about the icons of now about what is eco. Eco means environmental friendly, that is good for environment, that don't pollute the environment, and usually these all we will discuss about these 5 icons. Usually these icons are printed on the garbage bags or waste boxes. So first of all we will discuss about the compost. These 3 arrows, green color arrows, this shows that this is compostable. So a mixture of decay plants and vegetable waste that added to the soil as a fertilizer. पत्ते और जो सब्जियां हैं जिनको खाद के तौर पर इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, इसको कंपोस्टेबल इसको कहा जाता है, और ये सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस सेकेंड वन, that is prohibited. Prohibited means, no, this is a red color circle, and it's a don't sign, circle with backslash. This is a circle and this is a backslash, and it is universally known as a big no. So prohibited circle means do not do this, don't do this. Third one is 2 hands and a drop of water. It is the symbol of collecting and storing the rainwater for later use. So this sign shows that we should not waste the rainwater, that is a pure water, and we should try to save and store in our reservoirs. This is eco-friendly sign. Eco, as you know, I have told before, eco means environmental friendly. So eco-friendly icon, it shows that the product is environmental friendly. When we see the 3 leaves, green 3 leaves, so they shows that that product is environmental friendly. ये जो चीज़ है ये environmental friendly है. This one, this is ये जो अलामत है ये बता रही है कि सेव वाटर. ये जो है ये है प्रोहिबिटेड, मतलब ये काम ना करो. ये शो कर रही है कंपोस्टेबल, और ये शो कर रही है इन्वायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली. ये चीज़ जो है माहौल के लिए ख़तरनाक नहीं है. और दिस वन, दिस 3 ग्रीन एरोज ये शो कर रहे हैं कि ये कंपोस्टेबल है, कि मिक्सचर ऑफ कंपोस्टेबल साइन. तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये समझ आ गई होगी, और थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एज वेल. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू आस्क मी.